Welcome back, dear friends. Today, our topic is on TUPOLEV TU-160 Blackjack. The TUPOLEV TU-160 Blackjack is a supersonic variable sweep wing heavy strategic bomber and missile platform. It was the largest combat aircraft in the world until surpassed by the Northrop Grumman B-2 Spirit stealth bomber in 1989. Tu-160 is a Russian bomber aircraft and approximately its price is $70 million. It is outfitted with four turbofan engines. It uses 55,000 pound force of power to fly. Its maximum speed is 1,380 km per hour. Its travel range is 12,223 km. It covers 0.274 km distance in just 1 liter fuel. It can go up to 52,000 feet up in the sky. Its rate of climb is 14,000 feet in 1 minute. It requires 2,200-meter distance to take off and 1,600-meter distance for landing. It can fly with a maximum weight of 275,000 kilograms, but normally payload on this jet is 16,330 kilograms. Its fuel tank capacity is 1,47,998 liters. It is outfitted with four general seats, and it is also very big in size like Tu-90 and has 177.49 feet length.